Hey guys, this is John Michael with Excel2 Tech, and today I want to talk about a product, but let me just tell you, let me give you some context as to what the problem is first before we get to the product here. I have been working from home now ever since this pandemic came around. So this is a small office within my house or my little condominium. Remember, I've been telling you that I've kind of downsized, and so this space is small. Anyway, so I work out of here every day, and let me just show you. This is my office, right? And my computer, all that, and this is this is where I work 24/7, okay? 24/7. Now, this is also my little studio, and so I've set up my studio that I'm gonna, that I do all my unboxing and all that good stuff. And here got this product I'm gonna show you. So the room gets hot, and I have this little fan right here, this little fan that runs up and down, and sometimes I'll use that little fan right there, but it's still not what I am looking for. So there's this product that I saw in a YouTube video, and I said, this product might work. And I'm going to show it to you right after this. So we're going to open this EvaChill from Evapolar, and we're going to see what this is all about. I've been looking for something that cooled me up a little bit, because I'll tell you, this office gets very, very hot. And sometimes the air condition, it's because of all this equipment too. I got computers and everything running all at the same time, and it's just something so small on that regards. Okay, let's just put that there. Okay, it says it runs 7.5 watts of power. It says it cools, uses natural evaporative cooling effect to drop air temperature, humidifies, that's a good thing. Eco-friendly, portable, purifies, filters out dust particles to increase air quality. Dude, you can't beat that. Says how it works. Add water, add power, adjust and enjoy. Alrighty, so let's look into it, see what we got in here. Alright, so we got, okay, it's a little gift. Here's the instructions on how this works. Okay, good. Quick start guide. It's a one little page with 7 pictures. Alright, good. Product guide. Alright, good. It's got a little cable. Oh wow, and USB. Okay, alright, we'll get that ready to go here. Alright, that's so. Nothing else in the box. And okay, the Evapolar, it's really nice and light. Good hard plastic. Here's a little fan, the USB-C outlet, the vent. I don't know if you can see the vent. You can move it up and down. Okay, the water, where we're gonna put the water here. This is the handle, I take it. Push up, and then this becomes a little handle that you can carry. Okay. Here's the dispenser where you can pour the water. All right, and then you have the filter. There's the filter. Nice. So far, so good. So let's pour some water in here just like it says. I went out and I got smart water, okay? Because there's only one type of water that we need to get, and that's smart water. And let's just pour it in here. Okay. All right. There's the water tank right here and right here too. So I guess the water just overflows around the bottom here on that. I can run it from a power bank, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna run it from here. And I'm gonna plug this. This is at 100. This is the this is the on and off button right here. All right, so we'll see. And what I am going to do, so we can see, I just did these little strips because I want to see that the air is running. Okay, so because I know you won't be able to see air, but you could see these little strips. All right, and here we go, already at 100%. Okay, and we're going to crank this on. The light, there's some, oh wow, did you see that? Did you see that? That's really nice. All right, here we go. All right, so there's a real light movement, but it is cool, I must admit. Here, let's push it one more time. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Dude, this is nice and cool. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And that's the 2. This is the one that runs the most. The sound is not loud. This is called the Evapolar EvaChill. But this is nice. It gives you a nice cool air on that. Very nice, very nice. Very nice, and it's running out of a power supply. It's eco-friendly, non-toxic, free. It doesn't have any Freon or anything to that effect. It uses fully biodegradable evaporated pads. These pads, these filters that you saw here, you change them twice a year. Every 6 months you change them, and I think the pads, the filters cost like $26 or something. You can buy them at Amazon. I'll have the links below as well for this down there. It humidifies the air while creating better environment. It's portable, obviously. I can move it around, but very, very nice. And I must admit, I'm getting a nice, cool breeze, guys, on that. Nice, cool breeze. Love it. I think, and this is small, where it can fit right near my my little office on the right next door. So I think it's really, really good. Let me see if it gets louder. Oh, this is a little faster. Okay. It's not loud, but I don't know if you can hear it or not, but dude, Pretty good. Let me see if there's another speed to this here. No, now it starts to go to, oh, it turned off. A long, hard press turns on your lights and turns them off. So I guess if you had it at your bedroom and you wanted to sleep with this, then that can. 1, 2. Guys, if you like these videos, give me some thumbs up. Comment below and let me, I know that some of you are actually working from home. What kind of fans do you use? Some of you guys might have a ceiling fan. Others might just have a little oscillating fan. Or just tell me what kind of you use and in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And if you have, let me just tell you how much I appreciate you very, very much. And with that said, I'll see you around on the next video where I will take it to the next video.